Okay, so we're working on section 2.4 now, multi-step inequalities. You would solve them, again, exactly like you would a regular equation. So this is monitoring progress 1. You would add 1 to both sides here. Let me change that. So 4b is going to be less than 8, and then we divide both sides by 4, and b is going to be less than 2. And then to graph it, we're going to put 2 in the middle. Open or closed circle. This one is going to be an open circle. And we are looking for ones that are less than 2. So we're going to graph to the left. All right, number 2. Let's subtract 8 from both sides. Make sure to bring down the negative with the 9. Negative 9c is greater than or equal to. This is going to be negative 36. We're going to divide both sides by negative 9, but you're going to remember when you divide by a negative, you have to flip the sign, and we learned that today in class. So c is now less than or equal to positive 4. And again, we will graph that. We'll put 4 here. Is this an open or closed circle? It is a closed circle, and we want all the numbers that are less than that. Great. All right, so now we're on number 3. We're going to subtract 11 from both sides. N over negative 2 is greater than 1. Now we're going to multiply both sides by negative 2. Oh, again, I am multiplying by a negative, so that means that I have to flip the sign. Don't forget to do that. Negative 2. Go ahead and pause the video, and I want you to do number 4 on your own, and you can check your answer in the back of the book. Finish number 3. This is going to be negative 2, open circle, and I want all the numbers to the left. So now we're going to move on to monitoring progress 5. We have variables on both sides of the equation, so let's collect like terms first. I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. So 2x minus 12 is less than or equal to negative 4. We're going to add 12 to both sides. So 2x is less than or equal to 8. We're going to divide both sides by 2. I changed that to an n. Sorry, it should be an x. So x is going to be less than or equal to 4. Did I divide or multiply by a negative? No. That's why we do not flip the sign. Okay, so let's do number 6. We're going to distribute this. 2k is less than 10. Which is less than 2k plus 5. Oh, look, the 2k's cancel out. So, is negative 10 less than 5? Yes, that is a true statement, so that means our answer is all real numbers. Okay, so now let's try number 7. I'm going to distribute the negative 4, negative 12n, plus 4 is greater than negative 12n plus 5.2. Oh, again, notice that the 12n's will cancel out on both sides. So 4 is greater than 5.2. Is that statement true or false? That is false. So that means that this answer is no solution. So I want you to pause the video, do number 8, check your answer in the back of the book. And make sure to ask any questions that you have in class the next day in class.